Hello friends, in this small video I am going to tell you in what order you should scan your correspondence site for migrating it to eOffice and why. So as you might have noticed that in all our instructions it has been told that you should scan your file from newest to oldest. Let's say you have a file in which there are only 2 pages and it is this standing order. In that case, this page number 2 would be at the bottom of your file and it would be marked as number 1, and this page would be at the very top and it would be marked as number 2. This would be the case in our physical file system. So we have been directed to scan it from newest to oldest. It means that this page number 2 in the physical form will become page number 1 in our scanned form, and this page number 1 in our physical form will become page number 2 in our scanned copy. And this is what the case is here with this PDF file. And you might be wondering what is the reason for that. The reason for that is eOffice was initially developed for the ministries, and in ministry the ordering of the communication side is done in the reverse order, and which is opposite to the way in which we do it. So since we are adapting to that very eOffice application, so the difference which it would make if we would have scanned it like I have scanned it another way also. So this is my reverse copy. In this I have scanned it as the physical file. This would be page number 1 in my physical file and this would be page number 2 in my physical file. So I have scanned it in reverse order too, but we should scan it the other way around, like the which I have shown you already. And the reason for that is when you put up the sheet in a file. So let's go to the sheet. Let's go to created one. So here I'll select it and copy it. I'm doing it just so that I get all this detail on the right hand side and don't have to type it again. And now I will do upload a file, and on my desktop there is a folder called live stream, and this is the one which is the correct way of doing the scanning. So I will open it. So here you can see that this is page number 1 and this is page number 2. So let's generate it. And let's put it in a file. So I will put it in this file 61689. Let's attach it. Okay, now I'll go to my files, and here in my inbox I have that file, so I'll click on this file. So now this receipt has come in my correspondence side, and if you click on all, so you will see whenever you will open the all option in your file, in your correspondence file, the all pages will be shown, and the natural way of scrolling through a file would be like scrolling up. So this is page number 1 and this is page number 2. So since we have scanned this as page number 1 and this as page number 2, our first page of the standing order is at the top, and our second page, which have a signature of the commissioner, is on page number 2, and this is the way it should be. But if you would have done it in a reverse way, as I have already done, I will show you. Go to receipt and I will again go to created, and I'll click on this and I'll copy it again, and now I'll upload file, and now I am uploading the reverse order. So now it is uploaded. Now this one is page number 1, that would be in our physical system also, and this is page number 2, that would be in our physical system too. So let's generate it. and now we will put it in a file. I'll again put it in the same file 1689 and let's attach it. Now I'll quickly move to my inbox and I'll open this file. And here you can see that though I have scanned it in the way similar to my physical file structure, but now page number 2 is coming first and then comes the original body, the standing order, page number 1. So this is not the correct way to do that. The correct way to do that is if we go back to all. So this is my page number 1 and this is my page number 2 and this is my page number 3, but actually the page number 3 should have been this. This is the reason why we have been told that we should scan our file from newest to oldest. Similar would be the case for other kind of receipt in our eOffice system also. For example, if you get a receipt, say a report which has an Excel file as an annexure, in that case you have to scan it. Like first you will have the first page should be forwarding and the second page should be the annexure, that is an Excel sheet or other. Otherwise it won't make sense. So I hope I have made myself clear. So the way in which you should scan your pages or scan your oldest file is that you should scan the newest one first and the oldest one later. So if your file has 10 pages, say 1 to 10, then page number 1 in your PDF file should be page number 10 of your physical file. I hope this clears the doubt. If anybody still have a doubt, you can message me on the WhatsApp groups. I am the part of EMD manager and also batch 3 EMD managers, or you can simply leave a comment in the comment section below and I will try to resolve your issue. Thank you.